Are you looking for the best action cameras in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best action cameras that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Powoka action camera. This affordable camera lets you record all of your adventures with 1080p video and 12MP pictures. The lens is wide angle at 140 degrees, and it has a double zoom feature. It's waterproof in depths of up to 98 feet or 30 meters. You can choose from an all black or black and blue camera housing. The included accessories kit gives you a ton of versatility in how you mount your camera. The back side of the camera has a large 2-inch LCD screen for easy viewing of footage. The long-lasting rechargeable battery can last for up to 90 minutes of recording time. Working the camera is easy thanks to the several indicator lights and function buttons. Moving on at number 4, we have the GoPro HERO8. This small camera features a streamlined design for use in small places. It records 4K Ultra HD video and 12MP pictures. It can also stream live with 1080p quality video. The camera comes with an additional battery, 64GB micro SD card, and accessories mounting bundle. One standout feature of this camera is the Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization technology. This makes your video so smooth that even slow-mo looks great. Other unique features are the Time Warp 2.0, Live Burst, Super Photo, Night Lapse, and digital lenses. A potential drawback of this camera is that the surface of it can feel a bit slippery, which can make it hard to hold onto. However, it shouldn't be an issue if you have it mounted to something. At number 3, we have the Apexcam 4K action camera. Record your adventure with the extra-wide 170-degree angle lens on this camera. It can record in 4K, 2.7 kelvins, 1080p, and 720p video resolutions with 30, 60, and 120 frames per second. It can also take 16MP pictures. Mount your camera with the included mounting accessories, and then control the functions with the wireless wrist 2.4G remote. Preview footage on the 2-inch LCD screen. The camera is rated IP68 and is durable enough to work in 130 feet or 40 meters of deep water. Included with the camera are 2 batteries and a charging dock. One drawback of this camera is that the shutter speed is slow, making it difficult to get a perfectly timed shot. It also doesn't hold a Wi-Fi connection well. At number 2, we have the Dragon Touch 4K action camera. This action camera is ideal for those looking to mount it on their car. It comes with several unique and useful features, including 4x zoom, slow motion, and driving mode. It also has all of the standard features, including Wi-Fi, a 2-inch viewing screen, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. You'll enjoy 4K video quality and 16MP pictures. Included with your camera are 2 batteries and a huge professional quality mounting accessory kit. Use your camera in water depths of up to 100 feet. You can control your camera with the included wireless remote that works within a range of 33 feet. One drawback of this camera is that it doesn't record at a steady 60 frames per second. This can make editing your video difficult. However, if you aren't planning on doing detailed video editing, this isn't a big deal. And finally at number 1, we have the Akaso Sports Action Camera. You'll love the large handle on the mounting hardware that's included with this camera. No more fumbling around with tiny parts. The camera itself is also impressive with Wi-Fi, 4K Ultra HD video, 12MP pictures, and 30 frames per second filming. Included with your camera is a wireless remote that lets you control the filming frame by frame. What makes this camera stand out is the long battery life that achieves 90 minutes of continuous recording. It also comes with 2 batteries for double the recording time. Your camera is safe for use in water up to 100 feet deep. Finally, you get to choose from black, gray, and bright blue for your camera color. Unfortunately, while the camera may be 4K, the lens on it tends to hinder the video quality. It also lacks stabilizing ability, which can lead to shaky footage. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.